Hello to everyone and respected panel. Let's take a moment to imagine this. Women entrepreneurs in rural areas of Asahan, Malacca. They have skill, very hardworking, and full of ideas, yet their products remain hidden from the digital marketplace. This project is about changing that. We are empowering these women with tools and knowledge to build their presence online using platforms like TikTok through a guided kit and mentorship. This project is about lifting up rural women entrepreneurs and building stronger communities.
Even though women constitute nearly half of Malaysia's population, statistics show only 20.3% of registered businesses are owned by women. Our preliminary study showed that most women entrepreneurs in Asahan only use Facebook to run their businesses. Many of them struggle with low digital literacy. They are not confident using online tools or platforms beyond what they already know. On top of that, internet access is a problem in some rural areas. Additionally, there is a lack of structured training to guide them through the process. These are the barriers we are aiming to break.
To empower rural women entrepreneurs, we are introducing an innovative solution called Kit Permulaan Digital Media. This easy-to-use starter kit is specially designed for rural women, providing step-by-step guidance on social media marketing, content creation, and copywriting, all in a simple, practical format. But we don't stop at the kit. We are launching a mentorship phase that runs for 3 to 6 months, combining digital and face-to-face guidance. Our process is carefully structured into 4 phases to ensure impact and sustainability.
We kicked off the project with preliminary visit to PKD Asahan. First meeting is with PKD manager to understand the overall context challenges and identify participants. There are 10 entrepreneurs that will participate for this program. Phase 2 is kit development, where the kit content is based on the insights and tailored according to the needs. Phase 3 is monitoring, where participants receive hands-on training one-to-one knowledge transfer session. Finally is the monitoring phase. This phase is to measure how effectively participants apply the new content and strategy on their social media.
Our solution has high market potential and scalability. It can be easily adapted for various rural segments, including oral asli communities, infertile youth, and single mothers, expanding beyond our initial target group. For sustainability, the program can leverage strong partnerships with government agencies like MARA, Kemas, Tekun. From a commercialization perspective, the model is highly versatile as it comes with digital version and can be developed as a mobile app, making it accessible to a wider audience and creating a self-sustaining revenue stream.
Our project is highly flexible and practical thanks to strong partnership with PKG Asahan and local stakeholders that is useful for any further planning collaboration. To maximize accessibility, the Kit Permulaan Digital Media is available in both printed and digital formats, making it easier for participants regardless of connectivity challenge.
The impact of this initiative goes far beyond digital training. It empowers rural women with essential digital knowledge and confidence, enabling them to manage social media effectively and promote their products online. At the end of the program, participants express their gratitude and satisfaction towards the project. They successfully create TikTok account and do posting. 4 out of 10 entrepreneurs have successfully secured orders through TikTok.
This innovation officially registered with copyright protection and has been granted an ISBN, ensuring its intellectual property rights and publication recognition. Additionally, the project has received the highest recognition awards at Virtual Innovation Competition VIC 2025. By furnishing rural women with digital skills, we enable them to grow their business, increase income, and participate actively in the digital economy. This initiative ensures long-term sustainability and scalability, bridging the digital divide by promoting gender equity. A small step can become a giant leap for rural women's empowerment and community development. Together, let's create an inclusive future aligned with government strategic mission to elevate rural potential.